pressure gauges, temperature gauges, level gauges and flow gauges. Pressure gauges. Pressure gauges is especially used for measurement of absolute pressure, measurement of gauge pressure, measurement differential or vacuum pressure with respect of atmosphere pressure. Means the all pressure gauge working with respect of the atmosphere pressure. Now you see in graph like line pressure, differential pressure, absolute pressure, vacuum pressure, like all AT pressure and AB vacuum pressure. Basic principle of pressure measurement, pressure gauges. Different type of sensing elements are available. Selection of type element done based on the service condition. Basically 4 types: burden, bellow, diaphragm and capsule. Sometimes we are also using some pressure switches, but gauges only 4 types available: burden, bellow, diaphragm and capsule. So now we go discuss about burden type pressure gauge. Another one bellow type, diaphragm type and capsule type. Burden type pressure gauge, the classical C burden, spiral burden and a helical burden. Spiral burden and helical burden have the greater movement, free in and hence can be used for sensing low pressure without separate amplification unit. Available on different metals. Range is very high, 1 to 400 bar. Accuracy is okay, plus minus 1%, and sensing temperature limit up to 120 degree. Bellow type, the sensing element consists of the two flanges connected on the flexible cylinder. Pressure applied to the internal chamber causes the deform by an amount of the proportional to the pressure. This is the principle of bellow types pressure gauge. Bellow type pressure gauge especially we are using on low range. The range is 0.5 5 mmHg to 350 psi. Its accuracy also very good, plus minus 1%. Its temperature limit normal up to 120 degree centigrade, same as other gauges. But its material also available on different SS, nickel, monal, or to be depend on the requirement of process. Diaphragm and capsule type pressure gauges. Diaphragm element can be single, dual or diaphragm welded as a capsule. Multiple capsule type depending on the pressure sensitivity or the amount of the deflection required. This especially we are using on corrosive material, sometimes paste type material or different. This range is not high. They are using only up to 2000 psi or 5 to 2000. But sometimes we can use uh, diaphragm with other gauges. Pressure gauge accessories, overrange protection, pulsate and damper, siphon. Siphon especially used for thermo means steam line. Diaphragm seal especially for chemical on corroded material or paste type material. Typical range 0 to 1.6, 2.5, 4, 6, 10 or 40, 60 degrees. This is a normal range we are using at site. Bimetallic type, this is a temperature gauge. When the temperature of the metal rod raised from T1 and T2 length varies, the sensitive bimetallic element is formed from two strips with very different thermal expansion. Easy to use, less expensive than field system, intended to the measurement of the moderate temperature, not suit for very accurate. The measurement gas expansion thermometer, the measurement probe from a reservoir filled with the gas connected to the pressure gauge. The pressure varies as the function for temperature. Good accuracy used in the server environment means critical environment. This is also we can use in critical environment. Basic principle of temperature measurement, field type temperature gauges. Then on SAMA class, SAMA class. That is IA, IB or like that, different type level gauges we are using. There are three type level gauges we are using in hydrocarbon industry: transparent type level gauge, reflect and magnetic. Transparent type level gauges uh, construct by assembling different standard length and arm gauge glass section. Transparent gauge are used for colored and clean service such as the chemical extract and also steam condensate and necessary require back lit gauge and illumination like that. Reflect type level gauges. These work on the principle of total internal reflection using prism edge, glass section and mirror. Suitable for clean and colorless surface. These are also constructed assembling is standard as required the gauge length 1.5 meter, but this is especially used for colorless. Magnetic level gauge. These work on the principle of bouncy and coupling between different magnets. These we can use in the chemical service because there is a pipe and outside one magnetic scale is there and inside this pipe and the magnetic float is there. When the water fill or any liquid fill in this pipe, the float go up and down. Simultaneously that scale also go up and down. So